My ability to be an effective team member has been further demonstrated when I was designing and developing an innovation for middle-aged men with obesity. During this unit of study, my team worked cohesively as we strived to address the marking criteria and complete the project before it was due. As a result of our hard, diligent work, my team designed an app named Superman for middle-aged men with obesity and received a highly commended award in the showcase assembly. Here is a short sample of the Prezi that my team developed when we're highlighting the various features of our app Superman. Whilst watching this Prezi, note the various features that we included, such as personal details, social media, location, sport news, and events and competitions. This shows that we took a holistic approach to help and enhance the health of middle-aged men with obesity.